Hello students, welcome to Show Sir's classes. So in today's video we'll solve UGC NET 2017 January paper. So we were focusing on paper number 2. So in today's video we'll end this session. So today we'll solve 5 questions from this paper and we'll end this session. So we'll start with question number 45. So in question number 45 it is given in long period in perfect competition a firm's only earn normal profit. So for this I'll draw the curve. In a perfect competitive firm is a price taker. This is his MC. This is AR equals to MR equals to P curve. Now normal profit is basically when the AC curve is tangential to the equilibrium point. So there is no supernormal profit or loss, so we'll call it normal profit. So in long run, for a perfect competitive firms, always his LAC is on this equilibrium point. It is tangential to this point, so we usually say that it is in equilibrium, so only earns normal profit in the long run. So this is a true statement. Now we'll come to the next question. So in this statement it is given there are no transport cost in this system. So it is given that there is no transport cost in this statement. So this is also right, but here the thing is that this and this, they both are not related. That is, this is not the perfect reason for this assertion. So for this we conclude that for question number 45 this is right, this is also right, but this is not the correct explanation of this. So for this the right will be they both are right, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So for question number 45 the right answer is option 2. Now we'll go to question number 46. So in question number 46 it is given the principle of progressive taxation is generally accepted state policy. So the principle of progressive taxation is a generally accepted state policy, and progressive taxation does not affect distribution of income and wealth. So for this we know that is for question number 47 the right answer would be A is true but R is false. That is for option 3. That is, this is a right statement. So this is a right statement, that principle of progressive tax generally accepted state policy, but this is not the right statement. So for this we would conclude option 3 is the right answer. Anyway, I have missed the question 46. So in question 46 it is given labor becomes ready to work overtime. The reason is given as industry pays its employees efficiency wage. So when industry pays its employees efficiency wage, the labor becomes ready to work overtime. So for question number 46 we have to figure out the right answer for this. So for question number 46 the right answer is that they both are true, but this is not the correct explanation of this. So for this question number 46, now we'll simply look at the options given. So this is the right answer, that is option 2 is the right answer. So for question number 46 option 2 is the right answer. Now we'll go to question number 48. So in question number 48 it is given, take your time to go through the questions. That 3 questions I have done, then I'll go to the last 3 questions of this paper. So I hope you guys have understood it. If you have any doubt and query, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showupsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you'll also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So now we'll go to the other 3 questions which are left from this section. So it starts with question number 48. So in question number 48 it is given stagflation can develop due to market imperfection, and the reason is given as Wage flexibility can cause stagflation. So it is quite obvious for question number 48. That is, they both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of this. That is, stagflation can develop due to market imperfection. So this is true. But wage flexibility can cause stagflation. This is also true. But this is not the right reason for this assertion. So for question number 48, we would conclude the right answer would be option B. Now we'll go to question number 49. So in question number 49, it is given, Friedman treats money as a luxury good. So, and it serves as a medium of exchange. So for this, we know for question number 49, this is true, this is also true, but they both are not related to each other. So again, for question number 49, we conclude option B is the right answer. Now we have come to the last question of this session. So the question is given, by moving average method is a method of trend estimation. Moving average method is a method of trend estimation. So this is obviously right question. Now regression method is used to estimate fluctuation in time series data. So this is not the right. So we would conclude for this assertion A is right. The reason is wrong. That is, this is wrong, this is right. So for this, we would conclude for question number 50. The right answer is option C. So we have solved all of these 6 questions. So I'll be giving a couple of seconds to go through all of these 6 questions once before I proceed further with the revision of these 6 questions in this video. So I hope you guys have gone through all of them. I have given you a couple of seconds, couple of minutes I mean. Okay, so now I'll just revise through all of these questions that I have done. So I'll start with question number 45. So in question number 45, it is given, in long run, in perfect competition, firms earn only normal profit. This is the right answer. And the reasons, there are no transport cost in this system. So this is right. This is also right, but this is not the right explanation of this. So we conclude for question number 45. The right answer is option B. Now I hope you guys have opted the right answer. Now I'll go to question number 46. In question number 46, it is given, assertion, labor becomes ready to work overtime. Industry pays its employees efficiency wage. So for question number 46, The right answer is option B again. This is right, this is also right, but this is not the right explanation of this. Now I'll come to question number 47. The principle of progressive taxation is generally accepted state policy. This is right, and progressive taxation does not affect distribution of income wealth. So this is wrong. So for this, for question number 47, the right answer is option C. Now I'll come to the other three questions. I'll start with question number 48. Stagflation can develop due to market imperfection. This is right. Wage flexibility can cause stagflation. This is also right, but this is not the right explanation of this. So for this we say for question number 48, the right answer is option B. Now we'll come to question number 49. It is given Friedman treats money as a luxury good. This is right, and it serves as medium of exchange. This is also right, but again this is not the right explanation of this. Now we have come to the last question of this session, that is moving average method is a method for trend estimation. So this is right, and regression method is used to estimate fluctuation in time series. This is wrong. So for this we know for question number 50, the right answer would be option C. So in today's video we solved 6 questions. So we are done with this session. So in today's session we solved paper 2 from UGC NET 2017 paper. So we solved all the questions from question number 1 to 50. So in the next video I'll simply revise to all the 50 questions. So before I do so, I want you to just go through all the answers that I have done, all the videos that I have done on this paper, that is UGC NET 2017 January paper 2 on economics. So then I'll simply revise to it. So if you have any doubt or query, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showupsearchclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exams. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.